Hello students, today I will teach you weed and weedicides. Now children, before this portion I have taught you irrigation, and latest method of irrigation is, scientific method of irrigation is a sprinkler system and drip irrigation system. In drip irrigation you have made the pipe hole at many places in the pipe, which is adjusted in such a way the water should fall only on plant, root of the plant. So the wastage of water is minimized due to evaporation. When you throw the water all over the field, partially it is utilized by the plant and majority of the water gets evaporated. So it is a drip irrigation is the most effective method for mainly in the case of desert regions where there is a shortage of water. Now a sprinkler system also we have discussed it. In that sprinkler system there was a booster pump system from where the water is being forced to the different pipes, and every pipe is fitted with a vertical pipe having the nozzle. When due to water pressure the nozzle starts rotating and water is spread all around like a rain. Now today's topic is crop protection. Now what is crop protection? Term crop protection, पौधे का बचाव, क्रॉप को कैसे बचाते? It means what are the harm to the crop. Now the weeds also grows along with your crop. Weeds also consume your all fertilizers and manures you provide to the crop. Therefore the manure, the fertilizer, the nutrients which is meant for the plants are utilized by the weeds. The water, the air, the sun, the spacing between the plants are given because they can have the proper air and proper amount of water they can absorb. They can go for proper photosynthesis, which is being occupied by the weeds. Therefore, in turn, it affects the growth of the main plant, main crop, and affects the production. Now listen, weeds. What is the weeds? It is an unwanted plant which grows along with the main crop. It is an unwanted plant which grows along with the main crop in the field. जंगल झाड़ जो प्लांट्स के साथ अनवांटेड क्रॉप जो खुद ब खुद उगाते हैं, the plant which grows by their own and comes along with the main crop are called weeds. Common weeds are what? वो कौन सारे weeds है कुछ नाम बताइए. They are चेलाव, खुरी, बथुआ and लटजीरा. These are the most common weeds which always come along with the plants, along with your crops. What are the effects of weeds? What effect weeds does? It is harmful because it consumes. Why it is harmful? It is harmful because it consumes most of the nutrients, sunlight. It consumes most of the nutrients, sunlight and water, and the space which is meant for the crop. It is being occupied by the weeds. Even the fertilizer or the manure you give for the crop, it is being utilized by the weeds. Second point, not only this only consumes, it harbors the pest. different types of pests are also it harbors and protect it. That pest is harmful for the plants. So it harbors the pest which destroy the crop and spread the various crop diseases. So the weed is harboring the pest. And that pest is harmful to the plant. The pest spreads the diseases to the plants. So it is harming in another way also. Third way, it produces harmful toxic substance that is poisonous for human and animals. It may produce the toxic and harmful chemicals, which is harmful to the plant as well as to the animal both. So that's why the weeds are harmful forms of weeds. The question is, what are the harmful effects of weed? These three are the main. It takes all the nutrients and minerals or fertilizers provided for the crops is being consumed by the weeds. Weeds takes the water, sunlight and a space also which is provided for the crops. It also harbor the pesticides which is harmful to the plant, and it spread the diseases into the plants. Some weeds produces the harmful toxin substances which is poisonous to the plants and animals both. Now you can write what are the questions. Question number 1. What is it? Harmful effect of weeds. When weed to be removed from weeds to be removed from farm. This homework you will do. Question. Now, weeding. The process of removing the weed from the farm is known as removing the weed from farm of the crop field is called weeding. So weeding, what is weeding? Define weeding. Define weeding and why. And why weeding? आप थर्ड क्वेश्चन भी कर लीजिएगा, why weeding, define weeding and why weeding. So, removing the weed from the field or a crop is known as weeding. How weeding is carried out? Weeding is carried out by three methods, by mechanical method, by chemical method and by biological methods. So, first by the mechanical method. In mechanical method, we use harrow and garden trowel. गार्डन ट्रॉल जिसको हम खुरपी बोलते हैं. पहले हम लोग वीड को कैसे रिमूव करते हैं? ट्रैक्टर के द्वारा या खुरपी के द्वारा. प्लांट्स में जो वीड है, इनिशियली वीड्स कब हमें रिमूव करना चाहिए? जब प्लांट्स थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाए और फूल और फल देने, फ्लावरिंग से पहले वीड रिमूव करना चाहिए. अदरवाइज इट विल अफेक्ट द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ योर क्रॉप. Then chemical methods. Weeding can be done by the manual, by hand picking, by using khurpi, बाय हेरोल ट्रैक्टर से अलग अलग पूरे फुल एरियाज में यू कैन रिमूव द वीड टुगेदर.
And by chemical method में 2,4-D और MCPA.
2,4-D or MCPA are the chemical available in the market.
You can take and spray it
into the weed, and then weed will dry up.
What is that? 2,4-D, it is a 2,4-dichlorophenoyl
Acetic acid, 2,4-dichlorophenyl acetic acid,
and MCPA, it is a 2-methyl-4-chloro-1-phenyl acetic acid.
So if you spread it, the weed will burn. It will not affect the plant. But these are the poisonous substances. We should take care while handling this. हम वीडीसाइड स्प्रेड करने पे से पहले अपने हाथ और मुंह को ढकते हैं और उसे स्प्रे करते हैं. ठीक है, सो इस बात का ध्यान रखना है. नाउ अगला पार्ट हम पढ़ाएंगे आपको बायोलॉजिकल मेथड्स. ठीक है, बाय द टाइम यू रिवाइज इट, गो थ्रू योर बुक, वी विल आस्क इन एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चंस. थैंक यू.